Selling your home quickly for top dollar is challenging. In a traditional way, it needs repairs, cleanup, showing, and passing the inspection. It will take time and spending money upfront, plus brokers and closing costs. That may take weeks or months to get an offer and close. The big question is the future of home selling already here? What if you can sell your house fast and still keep the most cash in your pocket? Is there a catch? Hello friends, AT here with YouTube listing. I'm a cash buyer specialist here in Maryland. If you're considering selling your house fast and hassle-free, stay with me. You may be able to get multiple cash offers for your house. Have you seen signs in the street corners that says we buy houses for cash or we buy ugly houses for cash? Do you know what's behind it? They're wholesalers who don't have cash in hand. However, they put your house for a huge discount on an assignment contract and sell your contract to an investor for a profit. Usually, they make around $10,000 to $30,000 per sale. Not a bad deal for them, right? The other fast option is to sell a house with Zillow's buyer program or similar platform like Opendoor or OfferPads. It's kind of like CarMax but for houses. They use their own formulas to come up with a discounted offer around 60 to 65% of real value of your house, minus 6 to 12% convenience fees. If your house gets qualified by their criteria and location, they put an offer. If not, they may ask for more discount for different reasons, like condition of your house is not what they're expected, and so on. Remember, Zillow and other buyers programs like this are not real estate companies. They are more kind of like Wall Street brokers investing in real estate. They see people's home just like any other commodity. And by charging an extra 6 to 12% convenience fees, they will guarantee their own profits. That's the main reason they don't have to see your house. Meaning you get 50 to 55% of the real value of your house. In both of these options, a licensed agent is not involved, meaning you don't have any professional advice or any legal protection. The third option is Express Offer by eXp Realty. Express Offer is a home selling option for homeowners who would like to sell quickly and skip the hassle. This platform connects seller with real investors who will make a competitive cash offer on your home within 2 business days. These investors can close in 9 days. In simple terms, it's similar to an online marketplace for successful investors looking for houses. 2 types of investors are in Express Offers marketplace. Number 1, buy and hold. Number 2, fix and flip. Buy and hold investors looking for homes with less repairs needed for a quick fix to rent it out. To stay profitable, they offer between 75 to 85% of the retail price of your house. The second group are fix and flip investors, looking for homes with more repairs needed, to fix and sell it for profit. They offer between 70 to 75% of retail price. The retail price of your house will be evaluated by a certified express offer agent like myself. You get an accurate net sheet of retail value of your house and how much other cash buyers like Zillow and Opendoor will pay you. This way you can make the best decision on your term with no obligation. Express Offer program has some advantages over other cash buying platforms. For example, picking your closing date up to 60 days, no obligation offers, no convenience fees, multiple offers possible on your home, skipping out-of-pocket repairs, and having guidance and expertise of a certified express offer agent every step of the way. Here is how it works. Step 1. Fill in the 4-question form. Just your name, phone number, email, and property address. A certified express offer agent will contact you to submit your property. Step 2. Receive your offers. Eligible homes may quickly receive 1 or more cash offers. Step 3. Choose your closing date. If you accept an offer, you choose the closing date. Thank you for staying with me. I hope this video was clear, informative, and helpful. The big question is, do you think the future of house selling is already here? Do you see any benefits? Would you consider selling your house with this new method? What are your concerns? I love to hear your take on this. Please subscribe to my channel and connect with me on LinkedIn. And remember to dream with your eyes open, my friends.